another video here on my channel. So today I'm going to make mixed veggies lumpia Shanghai. So let's get started. Ingredients you will need: lumpia wrapper, 1 teaspoon of all-in-one seasoning, a pinch of salt, malunggay, oyster sauce, carrot, squash, and potato, ground beef, chopped onion, chopped garlic, and 1 egg. First thing to do is to peel off all the vegetables. Next is to chop the malunggay. Next is to grate the carrot, potato, and squash. Then we're going to mix them all together. Then we're going to add our chopped onion and our chopped garlic. Next is our ground beef. To make it easier, I'm going to use my hands. But don't forget to wash them first. Next is we're going to add our all-in-one seasoning and our salt. Then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Don't forget to shake it. Next, we're going to put our egg. Mix them all until well combined. And now we are going to get our lumpia wrapper, and we're going to get a spoonful of our mixture, and we're going to put it on our lumpia wrapper. And here is how you do it. You get a spoonful of the lumpia mixture, and then you get the lumpia wrapper and roll it around. And then on the end, you get some water for the lumpia wrapper to stick. Okay guys, so we're done. So we're just going to deep fry them. So let's go to the stove. Deep frying montage. Wait for it to be golden brown, then you can take it out. And now, it's time for the finished product. Drum roll, please. Say cheese! This is a great substitute for those healthy people that wants to eat healthy foods. This is so yummy and it is very healthy. Just look at that healthy and delicious goodness. Come on guys, let's dig in!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not yet subscribed, then what are you doing? I'm just kidding, but you should really subscribe for more cool and amazing content. Stay at home and stay safe. Love y'all! Peace out.